If your battery operated hedge trimmer gets stuck when you're using it and you get a freezing noise like bzzz, like it's just stuck or the motor's frozen, something like that, it's a humming noise. That means that the gears have slipped inside of this part of the hedge trimmer. If there's a sound that's a whirring sound like whew, that means that you probably broke the shaft of the motor, which is a really thin shaft, by the way, or you strip the gear or the gears come off. When you're working on these, make sure that you take the battery out. This one is actually working fine right now, but if it were stuck, then I would still have the battery out because these things can really be dangerous. So I'm going to pretend like this one is stuck and that it just, the machine wants to work, but you can tell it's not. So once you get to the decision where you feel like it's just jammed, then quit playing around with it and take the battery off. Take a pair of pliers like this and go between teeth like this and just bring the two parts of the shear together and you should hear a click like that. You'll hear a click like the gears are going back in, and then in sync, I mean, they're meshing. So put a battery in and give it a try. Hopefully this will work for you. But if you're just hearing a whirring noise, like the motor's just spinning around and there's nothing going on here, then that's probably bad news. If there's a stuck sound or a frozen sound, just go ahead and grab some pliers and give this a try. Your hedge trimmer may not be broken.